Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I put together my kids' lunchbox to school, trying to make it healthy and balanced and trying to make it interesting and easy for him to eat. I hope you enjoy and do share with me what is the favorite lunch recipe that your kids love so that I could try making it and feature in a video as well. Stay tuned until the end of this video to see how much he actually ate and what he thought about today's lunchbox. So let's get him ready and his lunchbox.
Okay.
So as I'm getting ready with the preparations, the first thing that I like to do is to get the things out of the fridge, and then everything gets quicker when a little prep is done the previous day. Here I have already made the chapati dough which was done yesterday, and also I have made the hummus dip with chickpeas. So these two items are already prepped and we can get into making it. I like to defrost the dough quickly for a very few seconds as I don't have that much time to get it into the room temperature on its own. So I like to defrost it hardly for about 7 to 8 seconds and it turns very soft. Then I'm making the rotis and I make it into smaller circles. Yeah, I try to get it exact circular so that folding it into a roll is nicer. Then I'm cooking up the rotis, and we can make different varieties of rolls, mix and match the dips and spreads and the vegetables, and you can keep the taste buds interested. So anyway, once both the rotis are cooked, here I have the hummus dip that I make. I've already shared in one of the video how I make it at home. So I will leave the link to the video where I have shown it in the iCard here. It's very easy to prepare and kids love it, and it's protein rich. So I spread it onto the rotis. And then for some vegetables, I have beetroots and carrots, very colorful and antioxidant rich. So I'm grating it onto the rotis on top of the spread, and here it is beautiful, and now it is ready to be rolled on. And then it goes inside his lunchbox. Here I have some chicken which he likes to have. So here I also have a pan getting heated up. So what I do is simply add some garlic salt on it, and after adding a little bit of olive oil on a heated pan, adding the chicken to roast it. I also add a tiny dash of chili powder for a little flavor, and then roast it until done. I sometimes also use tofu or paneer and do the same kind of roasting. So I have sprinkled some oregano on top of that and it's done. Let us now add this to the section in his lunchbox, and then deciding on what to fill up next. Fruits are definitely on the list. I'm choosing strawberries that are one of the richest source of antioxidants and dietary fiber. I'm also keeping this dip, which is light cream cheese that is again strawberry flavored. This way we can try making the lunch a little more calorie dense. I sometimes try to give him a little sweet treat which he can have if he finishes his full lunchbox. So I'm giving him these Teddy Grahams, the cinnamon flavored ones, which are his favorites. So after putting together his lunchbox, I usually show him before packing his bag what is there in his lunchbox so that he knows what is to be expected during his lunchtime. And then I still write a note for him, so he's excited about that. So the lunchbox is ready now, and for something to drink, which he chooses to drink during snack time or during lunchtime, I give him milk. So he likes to have his milk cold, and so I give in this thermos flask which I keep in the fridge to cool it, and then I add the milk and some Nesquik syrup. And then I also add in this milk cube which I keep in the ice cube tray, which I freeze. So adding this keeps the milk cool and fresh until he drinks it. He's now ready to go to his school, and then now the next scene is from some time later when he comes back from school, and let us see how much he actually ate from what was given.
I didn't get to eat it because there was 20 minutes and I was eating it, so
20 minutes.
yeah, so I didn't get to eat it full.
Okay.
So I was
How much did you eat? Okay.
I ate a lot.
Okay, one chicken. These cookies and the full finish okay, and 2 strawberries.
Yeah, I dipped a lot. Look, I ate like this. I took a strawberry and dipped it, and I bit it. I ate it with one bite, and then the second bite without the dip, I ate it full.
Okay. Pinay, how was this chapati roll?
I loved it.
Ooh. Good job. Milk finish it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And my snack I finished. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Bye.
So it's true that we as parents get to decide how much to serve to our children during meal times, and they get to decide how much to eat. So do not stress too much about meal times and lunch boxes. If the child is unable to finish everything that is given to them during a particular meal time, it's okay. They might ask for an extra serving during the next meal. So their body is going to make up for that, and our only responsibility is to keep offering them healthy options during each meal time, and rest everything will follow. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you all later. Take care and bye.